everyone, welcome back to my channel and today I am going to discuss with you about sonnet. So here you can see that sonnet is a poem of 14 lines and it is written in iambic pentameter and it followed a specific rhyme scheme. And we know that the theme of the sonnet is described about love, nature and philosophical ideas. The example of sonnets are we know that very famous sonnet written by William Shakespeare, sonnet number 18, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? And next the sonnet is written by Wordsworth, The world is too much with us. The last one is the Petrarchan sonnet and the first one is Shakespearean sonnet. And in sonnet, in the couplet, there is a volta used by the writers where the change of the tone of the sonnet change or the universal truth is expressed through couplet. Thank you.